Hi, welcome to my iPhone Dr. USA tutorials. Warning, this repair will void your warranty. You perform this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
Alright, first thing we're going to do is put the bracket, the shield, back on top of the new iPhone 5 assembly. Put all the corner screws in. Once the corner screws are in, I want you to put the new home button down. Okay guys, now that we have the shield and the home button flex cables back on the new assembly, now all we need to do is to put the front camera and the proximity sensor down. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this sensor inside of the rubber gasket there. We're going to gently fold the camera down into place and fold the proximity sensor into place. Fits perfect. Now we're going to gently take the iPhone 5 ear speaker, hold it into place. The long screw goes at the top, holds everything into place. The shorter screw fits nicely into the shield. Alright guys, so now that that's done, all we need to do is put the new front assembly back onto the iPhone 5. So we're going to buckle the LCD assembly first, which is there. The camera connection second, and the digitizer connection third. Okay, all of those are down. Now we're going to take the bracket and simply buckle it up. Alright, 2 more screws to go. Buckle that one in. And the last one. Alright, the new assembly is installed. So now all you do is very gently fold this back down into place. And I want you to press up against the top frame and then press down. And then in order to snap it, just give it a little bit of pressure. Like so. So now all we need to do is put the bottom pinna lobe screws inside the newly refurbished iPhone 5. Anytime your screwdriver's not getting a good magnet, just go ahead and magnetize it by sticking the top of the screwdriver on your magnet. That was very nice. We just finished the iPhone 5 front assembly. Let's go ahead and power it on. There it is.